Inquiry-based learning methods such as think, pair, share have been shown to aid in creating an inclusive learning environment and a fun way for learners to receive actionable, constructive, and timely feedback from their peers and instructor. Think, pair, share is a cooperative learning technique where learners are given a single question to think about. Learners consider the question individually and in silence for a few moments before forming pairs to discuss their ideas. The final stage of the process is to hold a whole class discussion where learners can share their thoughts. A digital analogue of this is 1, 2, 3, go! Here, one develops a stimulating or open-ended question, and then during a live session, one poses the question and asks learners to spend a minute or two silently thinking about the problem and to type out a response. Next, one asks learners to copy their response into a chat box and to only hit enter after they hear 1, 2, 3, go! From the flurry of responses, one can build an engaging in-class dialogue centering on learners' solutions. The allotted time individual learners have for silent thinking gives them a crucial opportunity to reflect on prior knowledge and to organize their thoughts, which in turn aims to improve the quality of the subsequent discussions. The structure gives every learner a low-risk opportunity to build a response, and it often exposes learners to ideas and concepts which contrast their own.